Hi, hello everybody. Today we are doing a unboxing video. Here in front of me there are five beautiful kids. Let's start with
My name is Priyanka and I'm 6 years old. I'm so happy to open this. My name is Dipti and I'm 6 years old. I'm so excited to open this. I'm Neelam. I'm 4 years old. I'm happy to open this.
okay.
My name is I am 5.
I'm Adya, my name. I'm 7 years old and I'm very excited to open it. Okay, wait.
Good.
Let's all open at the same time.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're opening. And I love you.
Okay. Okay, careful. Okay. Yes. Come on. What did you get? Show me. Show me, Adya. How about you, Nivan? Ante. That's fine. Oh God, good one, Nivan. Good one. Dhruti, help Panika. Alaantidi. Give it to Panika, Adya. Give it to Panika. Okay, show your labubus. Show me. Ooh. So you got a green one, you got a pink one, you got a blue one, the light green one. Oh, you got a yellow one. Beautiful. Are you guys happy with what you got?